I'm going to show you how to use the JKL. But first I'm going to mute this because I don't want to have the sound playing through it. So anyway, if we focus in on these, three, J, K, and L, you can actually use these as your shortcuts to reverse your clip, stop your clip, or play your clip. So what we have to do first of all is we got to get in our timeline. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up to the make it fill the whole screen. So now if I hit K, it stops it. All right, so if I hit L, it goes forward. If I hit K, it stops. If I hit J, it'll reverse. So when you have it filled all the way in on your screen, you can do this, and then you can hit stop. Now, let's say you want it to reverse it quicker. What you can do is you can hit it multiple times. 1, 2, 3. Now it's really going, then stop. Now let's say I want to go forward. I hit it once. Then if I hit it 2, 3, it goes forward even faster. So if you want to go forward, you hit L. If you want to stop it, you hit K. If you want to reverse the clip, you hit J. Again, stop it, you hit K. So these are your little quick keyboard shortcuts that you can use. The project that you're making, and you've filled your full screen like I have. So if I wanted to go forward faster, I could hit it multiple times, and it would move quicker through. And then I can stop it. If I wanted to go reverse faster, I hit it multiple times. And then stop it. It finishes at the end of the project. Let's go forward multiple times. Bam, that's the end of the project. And reverse slowly. Faster, 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 faster. Stop it. So that's how you can use the JKL shortcuts on your keyboard. And you're not hitting, all you're doing is hitting these. So forward here, stop, reverse. So you can go forward and reverse. You can go, either way. So let's say you're trying to see something in the video, you could do that. And then stop. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.